That's a nice little catfish on the line. Gloves up before you yank this thing out of the water. Two big fish too. Nice fish. Yeah, that's a good sized fish. Come on. So hard to grab with these guys in, dude. I didn't really think that part through, and oh yeah, I did. I got pliers, but I thought, yeah, let's go fishing, kid. Sure, no problem. Yeah, you can't really work your hand very well anymore, Matthew. Come on. Ugh. Come on. Here we go. Got it. That's a nice fish, huh? Look at that big boy. You got a little buddy, but nice, right? Catfish. Suckers for that hot dog. Cats chasing dogs. That's funny.